Hey everyone, welcome to Shop Talk. Looking at a North Carolina build. This is Dean's chainsaw. It's a Husqvarna 390 XP. It's been highly modified. It will be disabled after the video. Let me show you what we did to it. The cylinder was removed. The cylinder was decked. Ports enlarged. Intake and exhaust and transfer ports. Timing was advanced. It has the dual port muffler on it, porting on the top and on the side. Wrap handlebars. And we'll fire it up for you. Turning right at 14.7. Very high performance chainsaw. I will disable the chainsaw now. If you got any questions or comments on this, give the chainsaw guy a call.